I did 3 different hairstyles using the Tight Kurls 20-inch clip-ins from Heat Free Hair. First, I twisted my hair and pinned it up so I could attach the clip-ins. I left out a section of my hair in the front to blend and style. I used the Curl Whipped Texture Defining Mousse by Heat Free Hair and their double-sided high-definition curl brush for all 3 looks. This combo definitely passed the test when it comes to curl clumping and definition. For this first look, I wanted to do something really elegant. I defined and blended the back, I slicked the front, and added these really cute adhesive pearls. For this second look, I wanted to do a half up, half down hairstyle that could transform from day to night. I added a few more clips of hair to have a fuller look for the ponytail. Using the Curl Whip Texture Defining Mousse, I added this cute design to the top of my head to elevate this look a little bit more. Not only do you see how hydrated the clip-ins look, but also how hydrated my hair looks as well. I'm actually obsessed with this hairstyle. For the third style, I went with a simple everyday look and did a twist out. I added a few more clip-ins to the front section. I was really testing to see how well these clip-ins blended with my real hair, and the blend was seamless.